This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong on ChatGPT app. So if you are trying to generate any chat, but each and every time you regenerate, you are told something went wrong, you can easily fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now in the first method, go ahead and click on this retry to see if it will regenerate your response again. In most cases, this should be able to regenerate your response. However, if this doesn't work, then you need to go ahead and just start a new chat and paste your question and generate your response. In most cases, this might be due to excessive chat generated on one thread. So to fix this, just go ahead and create a new chat and generate your response. And now this should be able to fix your issue. However, should you still experience any challenge, then it might be that you are using an outdated version of ChatGPT. For this, go out and look for your app through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. So I'll go to Google Play Store and then just search for ChatGPT. And as you can see, if I click on it here, we have an update. Go ahead and tap on update on your smartphone to install the latest version of ChatGPT. Now, once this has been installed, you can proceed and open and start generating your chat, and this should fix your problem. But should all this not work, then head to the third and the last method, that is to troubleshoot your app. For this, you need to go ahead and find your app info page and then clear ChatGPT cache files. So to do this, go ahead and long press on your app and then go ahead and tap on app info. And from this, tap on clear data here and then clear cache data and OK. Now, once this is done, go ahead and open your app and start generating your responses. However, if you're still experiencing a challenge, again, come back here on app info, and this time around, go ahead and choose the first option, clear all data, and this will require that you log in afresh for you to start using your app. By following any of these methods, you should be able to solve something went wrong problem on your ChatGPT app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.